Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to make this circuit in TinkerCAD. So let's begin. So here is the interface of TinkerCAD. Here we have multiple components. So at first we would require this 1.5 volt battery. This is a DC battery. You can place it here like this in this environment and select this DC battery, and you can change its position like this. You can place it here in this environment like this, and then we would require this LED. It has two terminals, or you can say it has two legs. One terminal is positive and one terminal is negative. Then we would require a push button, and here we have the push button. Drag it in this environment like this. You can zoom in and zoom out by using the wheel of the mouse, and you can flip these terminals like this. You have to select the DC battery and flip it like this positive terminal go up and down like this. So connect this red wire, which is the positive terminal, with this push button. Here we will use two same side pins of the push button, and now connect the bigger leg of the LED with this push button pin, and now the flow of electricity like this from positive terminal to the bigger leg of the LED. And now connect the smaller leg of the LED with the negative terminal of the DC battery, and now the circuit will be completed when we press the push button. So now the loop is completed, and now what we have to do is click here on the start simulation button, and here you can see the simulation time has been started. And if we click here on the push button, then the LED turns on. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.